Heavy rains caused the Savio River in northern Italy's Emilia-Romagna region to swell and flood the city of Cesena on Tuesday, May 16. Several floods were widespread across the region and rescue operations were underway, Italy's fire and rescue agency Vigili del Fuoco said. Officials responded to over 40 incidents in Rimini on the most affected towns, including rescuing stranded motorists and responding to flooded basements. In Cesena, where some of this footage was filmed, people were stranded on roofs as the river rose quickly and flooded their homes, Vigili del Fuoco said. The Defense Ministry of Italy said it was also involved in rescue operations in the region. The severe weather was caused by a cyclonic vortex, Meteo.id reported. Rains were expected to decrease as the week went by and the vortex moved away from the Italian peninsula, the weather agency said. The footage by Vigili del Fuoco shows aerial images of multiple towns in Italy that experienced flooding, as well as the rescue of a worker from a basement office. While northeast Italy was hardest hit by the downpours, flooding also caused damage in the south. On the island of Sicily, rescuers responded to flooding, voluntaries, and other problems in the countryside between Palermo and Trapani. By Tuesday morning, the weather there was improving. Voluntaries and mudslides and rescued motorists in difficulty, the Corps says in a tweet.